wondering that it is of no use to you now. There which is around the hard drive or the hard disk to procedures you need to follow in order to this very experiment or the procedure is inserted in this hard drive enclosure. So guys, as you can see, I have opened my laptop and it's you might be having a Deadul laptop lying somewhere in a corner around your house, and in that case, you might be wondering that it is of no use to you now. Well, in that case, guys, you are totally wrong. Hey guys, this is Animesh and you're watching TechTud YouTube. So guys, first thing first, let me apologize to you all because some of my regular viewers know that this video had to be launched or published a month ago, and yeah, pretty of you guys showed me some messages on Instagram, and who are following me on Instagram, they know that what was the problem. And those of you who don't know, let me tell you that when I converted or when I searched that my old laptop had a hard drive or an internal hard disk in that, I, without thinking anything, I just opened that and removed the hard disk from the slot, and I came to know that there is an enclosure which is around that hard drive or the hard disk to protect it from shocks and few other things which can harm your hard disk. So there were 4 screws and the task was pretty easy to remove all those 4 screws as you can see on the screen, and I totally had to struggle to do that because those 4 screws were totally jammed, and I ended up going to a computer technician and took his screwdriver or whatever the instrument was and just removed those 4 screws then and there on his shop, and my video was destroyed. Like totally this content had not been decided earlier. So yeah, today I'll be stimulating or just showing you that what are the steps you need to follow in order to remove your internal hard disk and convert it to external hard drive. So guys, let's not waste more time, and yeah, I did not made this video in a series or it was not scripted, it's on just one go. So guys, please bear with me and let's get to the video right away. So guys, in order to perform this very experiment or the procedure to convert your internal hard disk into an external hard drive, you need one of the most important component, which is this Dedo laptop, and we'll be doing some steps and I'll be showing you a stepwise version of how to just make that procedure in order successful. So yeah, let me show you some of the images, and these images can be one of your laptop's image, and you just need to find a component which contains your internal hard disk and just pop that out. In case of my, this is that very component. So without any further ado, let me just pop this out because I have already taken out the screws in order to save your time. So as soon as you pop this out, you will find your this slot. In my case it's empty because I had totally taken out that hard disk or the hard drive on the shop. So as you can see, this is the hard drive's place, and this will be somehow like this, and here will be a slide out indicator. So please be careful guys, because this experiment or this procedure needs to be performed with very careful and quite sensitive way, because you can see this is having these ports and these ports are quite sensitive. So if this broke or this breaks, so you'll be kind of nowhere. So let's show you how this happens. So this will be a position, you kindly need to pull this out or slide this out like this, and here will be 4 screws as you can see, screw number 1, screw number 2, screw number 3 and screw number 4, which I took out on the mechanic shop. So please guys, I again apologize. So as soon as you take this out, this will be a compartment which is of no use to you now. So as you can see, this is having a plastic and this is of no use for you. So as you can see, this is totally destroyed because we had to apply some force because the screws were jammed and my laptop is 10 years old. So this is the compartment and this needs to be taken off. This is your main and important component as for now. And the other component, guys, which I am going to show you is the hard drive enclosure. So this is available on Amazon and Flipkart in various price range. So in my case, I found my best price range was $4, that is 300 rupees, and this is all the way up to $10, that is 1000 rupees. And awesome or very great quality they have, but I didn't want it. My main focus was this hard drive, and I didn't needed that much protection, so I ordered this one. This one is from Smack, 2.5 USB to 2.0 to SATA HDD enclosure. So this will come with you from Amazon or Flipkart, and the essential links I have provided in the description box below, so you can check them out. So here will be two screws, screw number 1 and screw number 2, which I have currently taken out. So after taking the screws out, you just need to pop this thing out and take your hard drive like this and insert in this ports. As you can see, it is also having a port, and this is also having two ports. So with very sensitive and very much taken care, I just slided that in. So as you can see, now the hard drive is connected to the SATA output, and I just need to do now only one thing left. So as you can see, without taking too much of contact, you just need to close this up, and as you can see, the hard drive is closed and this SATA is ready. So now let me just put on these screws. As you can see, there are no screws in the screw slot 1 and screw slot 2. So guys, as you can see, both the screws, screw number 1 and screw number 2 is inserted in this hard drive enclosure, and now all the procedures are done, and all I need to do is connect this hard drive SATA or hard drive SATA to my laptop. So I'll be doing that in a moment. So as you can see, this is connected, and now it's time to connect our SATA cable to the laptop in 3, 2, 1. So guys, as you can see, I have opened my laptop and it's time to test our hard drive or the internal hard disk, which we have converted to external hard drive. So now we can begin the procedure by just plugging this USB to the laptop slot, or the laptop's the slot. So let me just plug this in, and finger crossed guys, so anything can happen because this is my DIY or my own made hard drive. So let's check what happens. Finger crossed. So bullseye guys, now we have connected, and I hopefully think that this hard drive is working, cause the sound has came and the driver computer has installed the thing to use it. So as you can see guys, this is working pretty well, and here we can see the number 1, which is I drive of 29.1 GB, number 2 the J drive, which is of 29 itself GB, and the third, which you can see, is the K drive, which is of 29 GB as well. And the last one, I don't know why it is named as movies, but this is the L drive, and this is the most, this is the most high, or you can say this is the most space having drive, which we can see is of 60 GB. So yeah guys, this is it, and the hard drive is working. So guys, this was it for the video. And I have shown the procedure of how to convert an internal hard disk into an external hard drive by using an enclosure, which is available online on Amazon and Flipkart. I have provided each and every link for regarding the purchases, and you can just purchase this on Amazon and Flipkart under $5, so it will be very convenient to you also. So guys, if you're new, please subscribe the channel and ring the notification bell icon, so you know how or what content I make for you each and every week. And yeah, I will be looking forward to be very fluent and very regular in making the videos and posting it for you. If you like this video or like the content or like anything in this video guys, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And yeah, if you have any queries or you want to share with me something or anything regarding the video which needs improvement, so you can just participate in the comment section below. And at last, this is the videos guys, this is Animate signing off and have a great day.